guys, so as I am taking you along with my trip, okay, so now I'm at the hotel and I just got here like 12:30, yeah, 12:27 that way, like let's say 12 o'clock. So it's been 30 minutes that I've been here, and that's 12 a.m, okay, not p.m, okay. But before I mess up the place, I want to make a room tour, like with my room tour, so that you see, okay? Because if I sleep and mess up the place, I can't make the room tour, okay? So let me just show you around, okay? So guys, this is the room. So this is the rooms, okay? So as I said, I just go here and that's my bag. Sorry, I was so stranded at the airport and my bag got torn, but then we figured it out. Yeah, so I got my whatever stand and the table and the chair. Yeah. And this. So with this, okay, I tried to open, I don't know if it's a closet or it's the what. I don't know. I don't know if it's somebody next door. I don't know how it is. So as you can see, I have two bed. Okay, don't think far. Okay? Don't think far. Just bring your mind here. Okay. So when I was booking the room and it was full. Okay, so it was full, and I mean this was the only one left, and the same price, one room or like two bed or one bed is almost the same price. I was like, okay, so why don't I just get it? That's why I got the two rooms. So trust me, nobody's sleeping here with me. It's just me alone, me and me. Yeah. So that's a TV, and that as a table. So there's the menu. You want to order the food, and that's some of the rules, the direction. Yeah, and this is the Wi-Fi. So the hotel name is Travelodge, okay, and this is my key to the room, and the coffee area. I didn't take coffee, so there's no way I'm going to touch this thing. Yeah, so this is the microwave. Yeah, it's so little. I mean, it's cute. There's no way I'm going to use it because I'm just going to stay here just for the night. Let's see what is here. Okay, wow, there is a Holy Bible. Wow, awesome. Wow, I never expected that in the hotel room though. I don't know if it's somebody who left it there. So this is a safe, so in case I have something that I want to keep it in. Wow, I didn't know this. Oh, they had all this in. And this is the fridge. So the light is not really, I mean, bright, but then we figured it out. Yeah, so this is the fridge and it's empty. Yeah, there's no water in there. Yeah, so this is one of the bed. And this is the lamp, whatever, the phone. As I said, I just got here. So this is 12:32, okay? And here, that's nothing. Okay. There's a trash can. And this is the big mirror, yeah. Big mirror is a wall thing, it's nice. And currently my phone is low battery, so I'm charging it. So this is my deposit receipt. Let's go to the bathroom. Yeah, so they've got the iron board and the iron itself, hanger. So this is where this is a bag that you put your laundry in it. So when I was coming to a school, so I had this on my top, and this is it. Yeah, so this is a dryer. You know, most people, this white people, most of them like always like they wash their hair, so they always need a dryer. So, and this is the toiletries, the soap, and the whatever. This is a towel for me. They folded it. And this is the tissue. And this is the bathroom. I mean, it's really nice and cute, like myself. Yeah, you know I'm cute, right? Yeah. Look at that. What is it? That's a Jovoma. Like, I don't even know what to say. So this is the napkin or whatever. Yeah. And this is the toilet. Yeah, just use it. Okay. Okay, guys. I really like the floor, right? You like it? I think I like the floor. The design on the floor is really nice. Yeah, you know, nowadays everything is cute. So this is my shoe. Nowadays everything is cute, so I think it's cute. Yeah. So guys, I have two bed, and you are invited to sleep with me. Okay? Yeah. Okay, guys. So that was my room tour, a hotel room tour. Okay? It's not my own room. Hotel room tour in Las Vegas. Okay, it's just closer to the airport, and I'm just staying here only one night because we go to Airbnb or whatever it is, so we'll be lodging there. So this is just here for me for the night. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more videos from Time with BEL, and I'll see you next time. Bye and peace out.